Video number 14. 10 warnings you should be aware of. Budgeting without data. During a media buying campaign, the budget shouldn't be decided without the data you want to post on an ad. Budget for the ad should be decided according to the size of the ad space you are buying on the site. The budget of the ad depends on the time the ad will be displayed on the website. It also depends on the number of pages on the website it is being displayed on. Marketers should not create the budget without working on the above factors because the ad space provider can charge you more for the lesser data. If overlooked, it can prove to be a critical area. Overlooking call to action. The call to action serves as the most important point when it comes down to getting customers' attention for your products or services. Each and every business has to give importance to the call to action. With so many points to be kept in mind, many business owners forget to add an attractive call to action on their websites. It proves to be quite fatal when the results appear for their efforts. Therefore, it is suggested that businesses should place a good call to action on their website. It should also be noted that it can be included at more than one place on the website. Being repetitive. Being repetitive can surely be a red signal for your website. Don't use the same ad every time. It decreases customer attraction to the ad. Be creative and imaginative. Unique ads will attract more customers to your product. You should not stick to the same type of advertising for every product because it would seem like you are promoting the same product. Also, being creative doesn't mean that you should not promote your brand. Your brand should be carried forward in the same manner as it used to be. This would make your brand familiar to the customers. Effective website targeting. Before doing a media buy, you must decide who your targeted audience is and choose your site accordingly to it. For instance, if your targeted audience is younger people, then you must select the site which is being most visited by younger people. This would increase the targeted audience for your ad and would increase your sales. The site chosen for placing the ad should not only bring the targeted audience to it, but it should also have traffic on it. This traffic would bring the targeted audience, which would affect the sales of the product and allow the marketer to profit. Setting unrealistic expectations. Planning to become the best does not make you the best. Sometimes, what many media buyers do is they set targets that are practically never possible to attain. Sometimes, the marketers think that excessive marketing would increase their sales. The ROI would be increased if they did their marketing on the website with higher traffic. Many media buyers think that effective content can increase the sales. Content focusing on the challenges and needs of one audience can't be used effectively for other audiences that don't share the same challenge. Running a campaign without a plan. Media buyers sometimes start a media campaign without planning the complete process. Without defining goals, having a clear expectation and a clear action plan, brands won't get the desired result. It is seen that media buyers are sometimes not prepared for handling the queries of customers due to the lack of planning. They should understand the value of planning the campaign because it helps them drive brand loyalty and consequently sales. Without a clear strategy on what to do while performing a media buying campaign, including the way to evaluate results of a campaign, you'll have limited benefits of a media buying campaign. Jumping directly to sales. Business owners have a basic tendency to think mostly about sales, and sales only. This can be proven to be quite hazardous, because a complete orientation towards sales is just not justified. Marketers should have a long-term nurturing process for customers who may be interested in the future. This helps to create long-term relations with the clients, which could affect your sales positively. Along with that, it should be kept in mind that customer relationship management needs to be given high importance too. Remember, if you can't hold your customers, you can never be successful. Targeting audience precisely. Media buyers should not only focus on buying the ad space, but also on targeting the correct audience through the ad. The capability of media marketing and real-time bidding can help you get the correct traffic to your ad. They must buy the ad space on that website which has high traffic and is suitable for their ad. This would help you increase the sales of your products and services. If a media buyer has to make a profit through an online media buying campaign, then he should target the right audience, which could increase the sales of his products or services. Ignoring competitors. In the media buying process, Competitors can teach us a lot and may save our resources. Media buyers can learn from mistakes or errors that were committed by their competitors. Past experiences of your competitor should help you learn from his mistakes and the bottlenecks of his products and services which affected his sales. Along with that, it also needs to be kept in mind that one of the best ways to learn is to learn from the mistakes of others. So, keep a close eye on the competitors and avoid mistakes that they have made. Focusing on big websites only. For online campaigns, media buyers aim at the bigger or the higher ranking site because they get higher traffic. But before choosing a site, they must understand that the site chosen for campaigning is relevant for your product and services. A media buyer can run his ads on the smaller site having relevant traffic and highly engaged clients. Here, the media buyer can deliver both the volume and the response a client wants. Obviously, this can vary from person to person, but the point is to consider the best solution to reach the targeted audience with the available data. From the above-mentioned points, we can conclude that if these points are avoided, media buyers can save a lot of money and improve their knowledge of online media buying campaigns. By avoiding these, a media buyer can increase his sales. Video number 15. Shocking Media Buying Case Studies. Rangemaster. Rangemaster is the best cooker appliance manufacturer in Britain and famous for their style and functionality. The aim of Rangemaster was to increase their brand awareness and expand their new customers' reach and retarget their existing audience. Rangemaster incorporated with TCS Media to increase digital activity and make the best use of RTB for laser targeting their audience and to reduce waste. As a result, it observed that there was quality traffic driven to its website. It also observed a great reduction in its cost per visit to its page. It also saw an increase of 82% in visitors on its website. Saxoprint. Saxoprint is one of the biggest online print houses in Europe. It was started in 1991 as a local printing business. The aim of Saxoprint was to lift their brand awareness in the UK market, establish themselves in creative sectors and marketing, and build their acquisitions of fresh potential customers. Saxoprint came together with MediaReach to formulate an integrated media buying campaign that mainly focused on PR, media planning and buying, sponsorships, and events. Saxoprint achieved 318,700 inserts in printed media. A total of 1,080,000 reached via event, award, and festival sponsorships. They extended their reach to 625,000 at the London Design Festival through website banners and official show guides. They got 451,000 impressions with social media, postcards, and unique visitors and newsletters. Hotels.com. Hotels.com is a leading provider of online and offline hotel room booking and accommodations. It aimed to relaunch the brand and wanted the help of a partner with a properly designed campaign, planning, buying optimization, and tools for measurement for finding out customer level of awareness. The company partnered with TubeMogul and online and TV ad buying campaigns. TubeMogul used its integrated brand measurement survey tool BrandSights to understand the insights. The media agency also ran a survey test with a brand message to retarget the customers who had not seen the ad or seen the ad online, TV, and both. With real-time survey results, Hotels.com saw a lift in message recall that was 190% greater than not seen ads, only TV ads, and was 209% greater for online ads and viewers who saw the ad on TV. And online had a recall of 255% more than those who didn't see the ad. Breaking Media. Breaking Media is one of the leading digital B2B media companies in law, finance, energy, defense, government, healthcare, and fashion. Its other sites are Above the Law, Dealbreaker, Fashionista, Breaking Defense, Breaking Energy, and Breaking Gov to develop niche audiences. These sites attract 2.2 million unique readers per month. The publisher sent unsold lists to the ad networks and exchanges, but the company was not happy with the results. Breaking Media wanted to improve their CPM. Breaking Media teamed up with OpenX. OpenX real-time auction helped breaking media's valuable audience with precise advertisers. In a shorter period, they got their CPM within the range of 85 cents to $1. After 6 months, they were getting a $1.25 CPM revenue. Mr. Minkin said, "Their guarantee is an incredible deal for us. Our revenues are up and we can count on it, with less effort on our part. I'd recommend OpenX to any publisher." iRobot. iRobot was established in 1990 by Massachusetts Institute of Technology roboticists. It drafts and creates some of the world's most important robots. After having 20 years of practice robotics, it wanted to jump into consumer electronics by taking advantage of their history and initiate themselves as a premium brand. It teamed up with Total Media, which used a multi-platform perspective to launch in the UK with various impressive, inventive, and creative formats. The media agency carefully chose the media planning and buying and other services to maximize the chances to succeed. To improve the efficiency and productivity of the campaign, a number of media buys were mediated on a cost-per-engagement basis. They got huge traffic to their website. The engagement rate was increased 6% with the unique media formats, and they reached 44% of their targeted audience. Rosetta Stone. Rosetta Stone was founded in 1992. It developed the use of bilateral software to escalate language learning. The company's technology-driven literacy and brain fitness solutions are used by thousands of schools, businesses, and individuals. The objective of Rosetta Stone was to make their campaign the most effective with low cost, get more sales, and improve their brand awareness among their customers. Rosetta Stone approached ARM Media as mandatory agency for their media planning and buying campaign. The demographics of Rosetta Stone was ranging from young people to working professionals. ARM Media formulated the strategies to target their potential audience with TV, press, online video on demand, search marketing, and online media. As a result, their campaign became cost-effective. They got more new customers and also bought media in Germany and continued the plans. Intuit. Intuit was founded in 1983 with the basic objective of quickening personal finance software, with the overall aim of simplifying the finances of every family. It basically believed in the power of the human individual and its capacity to do more and to achieve everything possible. Their products are focused on how people run and manage their finances and operate their businesses. Its challenge was that it needed the help of a partner that had high efficiency and could increase the conversions at a low cost. To achieve its objectives, it teamed up with advertising.com, and they focused on online audience objectives and creating custom behavioral segments in a complete manner. As a result, their CTR doubled, conversion rate increased 8 times, and it observed an 18 times higher conversion metric. Clarks. Clarks is an international shoe manufacturer and retail brand that does not need any introduction. It was founded in 1825 by two brothers, Cyrus and James Clark, who had access to limited resources that were available to them. Today, it operates in more than 35 countries. Clark's boasts of a huge customer base, so its basic problem was that it wanted to advertise the right shoe at the right time to its customers. It also wanted to remain fresh in the minds of its customers for a long time. To solve their problems, it took the help of Criteo. It helped them by creating highly personalized ads that aimed to provide the right shoes at the right time when they were looking to make a purchase. They still work on a regular basis to analyze and optimize their campaigns. As a result of this partnership, Clarks was able to eliminate the ads that were placed at irrelevant locations and focus on its customers. Ultimately, it observed an impressive 130% increase in conversion rates and a 44% increase in its sales. FragranceNet. Fragrance.net was created with the basic objective of providing people with good quality and useful fragrances and other types of skincare products at reasonable prices to facilitate more purchases. They have the basic objective of ensuring that customer experience is satisfying and pleasant. The biggest challenge for them was to extend their strategy of providing good quality products to numerous people at affordable prices. For solving this, they got the help of Criteo, which helped them to make use of display advertisements to facilitate customer experience. Ultimately, they were able to see an increase of 100% in click and impression volumes for mobile and desktop, get a 70% increase in revenues, 70% increase in volume order with a conversion rate of 6.3%. Flight Network. Flight Network was established in 2005 with the basic aim of providing travelers with the lowest possible airfares, hotels, car rentals, etc., to make their journeys a pleasurable experience. It's the largest Canadian online travel company, and it proudly serves more than 2 million travelers around the globe. Keeping the cutthroat competition in mind, it wanted to focus on new conversion techniques so that they could provide the right offers when they were needed. They wanted help from an experienced partner that could keep them up to date with the latest advertising regulations. As a solution, they joined hands with Criteo in 2012 to launch a performance display program, with the ultimate aim of reaching visitors on a large scale and converting them into customers. As a result, Flight Network was able to see great results for their business operations. They were able to increase their conversions by a whopping 380% and increasing sales to new customers by 19.6%.